In this house and in the Lok Sabha also, from the time of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, there has been a very healthy practice that every complicated piece of legislation is referred to a select committee. In recent times, the government has given a total go by to the system. Last year, both the houses of parliament passed the direct taxes bill without even understanding the clauses, and the government and parliament were embarrassed later because that cannot be implemented and it has to be amended again. Therefore, my humble submission to the Honorable Minister through you, Sir, is to refer, even at this stage, the bill to a select committee in which there can be experts. There are eminent people in the treasury benches who have got a lot to say on this, and I would be most happy to have their views. But under the present system, they are unable to oppose the bill, and the bill will go through. First, we must understand what this legislation is. Unlike the Companies Act or the Income Tax Act, which are acts to regulate business, this act was an act meant to restrict a few business houses so that the others could be free. Therefore, today, if you lift the restrictions on these business houses, it is not liberalization, but it is restriction to the vast majority of small entrepreneurs. The phraseology itself is wrong, and the impression created is as if they are loosening. We are allowing these powerful people to have a hold on the small entrepreneurs. That is what we are doing under this act. So, the term liberalization indicates as if the government is reducing its power. No, what we are doing is that a whole bunch of small and medium entrepreneurs will now be again open to the competition from these large houses, which the earlier government, in its wisdom, wanted to restrict through this act. So, first, we must understand what we are doing. Liberalizing a restrictive act is like asking for boiling ice. It is a contradictory term. You cannot liberalize the MRTP Act. The Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act can only be tightened or replaced. Liberalizing that act means negating it. Stop.